Do you realize you can go from low category 3 to high category 3, and they'll just talk about Hurricane Irma is still a category 3. 1 mile an hour faster, and it's category 4. It's breaking news.
Oh, yeah.
Hurricane Irma is now category 4.
Yeah.
Excuse me, it's 1 mile an hour faster than it was yesterday.
Yeah, people lied. They said the winds broke in.
Okay, so I
saw the winds making a bowl of cereal, some guy said. Like, what?
That's funny.
That's
So my
crazy.
point is, even with hurricane speed strengths, we force them into categories when it's actually a continuum.
I see. So it's a continuum out there. So because it looks kind of gay, I feel like, but then sometimes it does things that seem really straight. But those are also my definitions of those
Correct.
things.
You're forcing the universe into your 2 categories.